The Daily Code Snippet. When adding CSS to our HTML documents, we can take two approaches. One way is to use internal CSS, which is where the CSS rules are embedded directly into our HTML page. We have shown this method in some of our previous videos. In this method, we include our CSS rules directly in the head of the HTML page and enclose all of our CSS rules in a style element. The second and preferred way is to use external CSS, which is where we link our HTML page to an external style sheet via a link element. The link element is an empty element, and we use certain attributes with it. The href attribute to specify the file path to the CSS file, and the rel attribute, which tells the browser the relationship between the linked file and the HTML document. In this case, we are linking a style sheet. We used to also specify the type attribute to let the browser know we are linking a CSS file. Type equals text/CSS in quotation marks. However, with the most recent specifications, it has been decided you no longer need to use this attribute. Here is how it would look in our code. External CSS is preferred because the goal is to separate content from appearance. Also, we are able to link multiple CSS style sheets to our HTML page via separate link elements. Internal CSS is appropriate when we have a simple single-page website. With more pages, an external CSS style sheet can control the look of all the HTML web pages in a site. When we want to make a style change, we would only have to adjust the style sheet, rather than make changes to multiple pages. Presented by Designers Learn Code.